everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so today we are going to make some Lucky Charms cannabis Rice Krispie treats. Rice Krispie treats are so easy to make and they are delicious. I forget how good they are. They are loaded with Lucky Charms marshmallows, and apparently you can buy bags of just marshmallows, but I couldn't find those, so I picked out all of my marshmallows by hand. First, in a very large bowl, combine your Rice Krispie cereal, your Lucky Charms cereal with the marshmallows, and then your Lucky Charms marshmallows. Mix it up really well and then set it aside. In a large saucepan over medium heat, melt your cannabis butter and your melted butter. Once it's all melted, dump in your marshmallows. Once your marshmallows are all melted, this is the time to add your green food coloring. I like my Rice Krispie treats to have a little bit of green food coloring just for St. Patrick's Day, but you can add more if you want them to be really, really green, or you don't have to add any at all if you don't want to. Once the green food coloring is completely mixed in, pour your marshmallow mixture over the cereal mixture and mix it up really well. Then spread it all out evenly into a 9x13 pan. I have lined mine with tin foil and sprayed it with nonstick spray. And now it is time to add even more marshmallows on top. Here is our finished Lucky Charms Cannabis Rice Krispie treats. They are loaded with marshmallows on the inside, and then there's tons of marshmallows on top. These are so yummy and sweet and chewy, and they're perfect for St. Patrick's Day with the Lucky Charms, but you could really use any type of cereal that you want to. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Have a very happy St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.